daughter. Mama, who is that fine young man that I see you talking with? He's very fine, oh. He's perfect for your husband. Mama, he's just my friend. My daughter, as you can see, I am not getting any younger. I want my grandchildren, and I want you to find a man to marry. You are 18, my daughter. It's time for you to marry and give me grandchildren. I don't want to marry now. Hey, Father God, I will come back to you without a grandchildren. I will come back to you like this. This is the sin of my daughter. My daughter do not want to get married. Oh. Hey. Calm down, eh? Okay, I will marry soon, eh? Besides, I have a man that I like, so I will marry soon, eh? I will marry soon, eh? So you will marry and give me grandchildren, chicken, Max, Mom, come here to me. What's that, Mom? Me see you down there, a cackle like a fowl with boy. You look like I said you're 18, you feel say you're a big man. No, Mama, just my friend. Nice and me I talk to you. Make me tell you something. Whether you're 18 or you're 30, once you live under this roof, you go by my rule. And once you live under this roof, no man. Me no want no man come here. Me no want you have no man. And me no want no bikini. Because if you're ever pregnant, you're not turning here. You're not turning here. You hear me? Not because you think you're 18, you're no big man. When you're a big man and when you come from under my roof. Alright. Man, me tell you, say I just me friend. Me not have no boyfriend. Don't care if I your friend, if I your boyfriend, I don't care who him be. If you want a relationship and go get pregnant, come from under my roof. Once you're under my roof, you have to live by my rule. Alright. Yes, Mom.